Hello guys, today I'm here to unbox a new DJI Osmo Action 4. Recently I posted one video regarding the standard combo package. The good thing about it is this is an adventure combo pack, and I'm going to show you what it has inside comparing to the previous standard combo. This has additional accessory which can help you to wherever you go you can use it easily. So without further ado, let's unbox it and see what are the accessories inside, and we can go. As you can see, even this one is more longer than the previous one. The previous one was just a small box because there's something inside makes the packaging to be longer. So the first look about it is we have two cases. Yes, this one and two. Okay, and here is what makes the box come longer. This is a selfie stick, and you can pull it all the way long. You can see how long it is. It's very long for a selfie, very useful. Okay, and this is the mounting kit. Actually, as you know already, it came in two boxes. One is the Osmo Action 4, which shows that the camera is here, and the second one is the accessory. Okay, let's go with the accessory because I have already the video about the camera himself, so better we go with the accessory and see what was the difference between the standard one and the adventure combo. Okay, type C was in the previous one, and this the mounting magnet kit was also in the previous one, and this is a charging case for the battery. That's what was not there in the standard combo. So if I want to resume it, I have this. I have the charging case, which comes separately in adventure combo. Once you open it, you see the light, meaning the battery are in. If I remove it, the light is gone. Put it back, the light is back. We need to charge it. And as first use, make sure that you charge the case fully charged before you start using it, especially for batteries. That's how they usually work to teach. It's kind of like teaching the battery how to operate. What is your maximum capacity? So make sure any device, any electronics you get that come with battery, make sure you charge it for full 100% before you start using it and operating it. Yeah. So I will go with the camera. So this is the accessories. The same kit was in the standard combo edition. This is the adventure combo edition. This is the case, and here is the camera. So okay, I will show you something about the case. There is the camera. I'm gonna open the mounting kit to show you what difference it has compared to the previous one. Okay, this is my camera. Always is magnet clip. So if you try to stick it, it's the wrong way. Here is it. And then I can mount my camera to the stick here. Don't forget that there is a screw. I need to tighten it. And this time they give me two screws. You see how the combo version is more advanced, is more useful than the standard one. And again, another mounting kit here. The same one here. So I have two of it. Let me show you clearly. I have two of these here. Two screws, okay? And the curve mounting kit, the one you can just use to put on a helmet or anything, any curved surface, okay? So we'll remove it, put it, screw it. Yes, done. Then, yes, you must hear that clip to make sure that the mounting kit is well attached to the camera. So I will open it and go to go. So I don't wanna go deeper, start switching in on and show you the feature because I have already done that in the previous video. So whoever did not have the chance to see the previous video and see what feature it has, all those, what you can do with that, please go on my YouTube channel, go to the video session and you can see the. To summarize, what was the difference between the adventure combo and the standard combo is you have the selfie stick, you have additional mounting kit, you have three batteries and charging case, which come, and then yeah, that's it. And I believe those three are usually when I want to buy DJI product, I used to go for something full combo because if I want to buy them separately, the price is gonna be higher than going in the combo because the combo version will help me to have all in one go. And you know me, whenever I buy any gadget, I like getting all the accessories so that I won't be limited whenever I travel to anywhere and I want to make use of them. So, well, guys, that's what I can say about the combo. My advice is always go with the full combo. The advanced combo has everything you will require. They know clearly before they made it. Reason why the standard combo you will end up spending more money and you will not have you will not be able to feel or to make use properly of the device you are going to buy. Again, always go for it no matter what you want to buy. Usually those manufacturers usually create like two version or three version. They give you the low for low budget and the advanced features. So always go with the advanced. I know it's a little bit expensive, but it's useful. Again, my channel is there. I'm requesting you guys to share and help me to do more videos because if you share it will help me to, it will motivate me to get stuff and show you opening it before you go and buy it and will tell you what's the advantage. I will do another video for the Action 5, which I heard that is already in the market. I will get it and show you what is it about. So those guys that did not see the full video about the camera himself, go to my YouTube list. You will see the standard combo and see the camera specs and whatever I talk about, whatever it has as features, I have mentioned it there. So see you next time again. Thank you.